In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Tasks. Google Tasks is a simple, built-in tool that helps you capture to-dos quickly, organize them, and keep your day on track, right from the same place you check email and your calendar. First, open Google Tasks. On your computer, go to Gmail. On the right-hand side, you'll see a small side panel. Click the checkmark icon to open Tasks. It slides out as a compact list, so you can manage to-dos without leaving your inbox. Now, let's add a task. Click, Add a Task, type exactly what you need to do, and press Enter. Keep the wording clear and action-focused, like Call the bank or Draft project outline. Short, specific tasks are easier to start and finish. If you want to keep things separated, you can make lists. Click. Create new list and give it a meaningful name, such as work, personal, or trading. This is optional, but it's great for mentally switching contexts. You can switch between lists anytime from the drop-down at the top of the Tasks panel. Dates make tasks actionable, so set a date and time when something matters on a specific day. Click a task to open its details, then add a date and, if needed, a time. As soon as you do, that task appears in Google Calendar automatically. This helps you see your to-dos alongside meetings and deadlines, making it easier to plan your day and avoid overbooking yourself. When you finish something, tap the checkbox. The task moves to Completed, so your active list stays clean. You can expand the completed section if you ever want to review what you've done. To prioritize, simply drag tasks up or down. Keep the most important items at the top so they're always in view. Reordering is quick, and it's a great way to reset your focus when plans change. Here's a simple daily flow you can follow. In the morning, add the tasks you intend to accomplish. Arrange them so the top 3 are your must-do items. Work through your list, checking things off as you go. If something doesn't get done, edit the task and move its date to tomorrow. That way, nothing slips through the cracks. For example, you might add study, exercise, and check emails. Assign a time to study so it shows in your calendar, complete exercise, and check it off. And if emails spill over, reschedule them for the next day. That's it, clean, focused, and integrated with the tools you already use.